Ah, the Capstone project. What could go wrong, right? Well, everything. You start with a guide saying, just follow these steps, it's easy. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Wait, what does this even mean? Your brain shuts down. The code won't run. Your screen is now just a blinking cursor mocking you. You try to read the documentation. It's in another language. You try YouTube tutorials. They make it look so simple. Until you realize you've been staring at the same error for hours. Coffee? Gone. Sanity? Almost. You scream, you cry, you question every life choice, and just when you think all hope is lost, you remember Projxty. Projxty.netlify.app, your one-stop place for ready-to-use capstone projects, guides, and sanity-saving solutions. Because some battles are better fought with a plan.